Today I'm making some creamy pasta salad. I'm going to start by adding some water in a pot on the stove, and I'm going to add a teaspoon salt and a tablespoon cooking oil. The cooking oil prevents the pasta from sticking together throughout the cooking process. Now that the water is boiling, I'm going to add my pasta and allow it to cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Now that my pasta is cooked, I am going to remove and immerse in cold water just to stop the cooking process. In my creamy pasta salad, I'm going to use some bell pepper, onion, carrot, lettuce, tomato, cucumber, raisin, sweet corn. Now I am going to combine everything in my mixing bowl, and then I'm going to add the remaining ingredients: mayonnaise, mustard, salt, black pepper, lime juice, and I'm going to combine everything, and that is it. Simple and easy creamy pasta salad recipe. If you are a person that is not into vegetable, this is a good recipe for you. The flavor, the taste of the bell pepper, the tomato, the mustard, the mayonnaise, trust me, it is delicious. This is a recipe that you must try, and yeah, quick and easy to make, very delicious. You can take this to work, have it as a snack, as a dinner. Yeah, trust me, amazing recipe. If you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel if you're new, leave a comment down below and let me know what you think about this recipe. And until next time, stay safe.